Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making creamy white chicken chili. We're going to take a pound of chicken that I got chicken breast that I've cut up in small cubes. And I got a little bit of olive oil in my pan. So let's get to putting our chicken in. We're going to cook this until it's a little brown. We're going to put our garlic in last because garlic doesn't take very long to cook and you don't want to burn it. So I'm putting in the onion. I'm going to cook that until it's soft. And let the and this will take probably 5 to 10 minutes. If you don't want to use fresh chicken, you can always use rotisserie chicken for this. I'm going to add the garlic, 2 or 3 cloves. Stir that around. The chicken is not pink anymore. We're going to add the rest of the stuff. 2 cans of green chilies. I got the mild kind. There's different kinds out there. Then the 3 cans of the beans. All my seasonings. And the chicken stock. And this is a 32 ounce. Put the lid on it until it comes to a boil, which would take about 5 minutes. It's come to a boil, my chili. I'm going to give it a stir. And then we're going to put the lid on it. I've got it on simmer. We're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes. The chili has finished cooking. I've let it cool for about 5 minutes. And it looks delicious. We're going to put a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream in there. It's going to make it rich and thick and full of flavor. Every little bit of that whipping cream. And then we're going to put a cup of sour cream. And we're going to stir it. Till it's well blended. I've put the heavy whipping cream and the sour cream into the chili and incorporated it. and it looks great. Now I'm going to dip up you can add toppings. We have an avocado here that you can slice. We have Monterey Jack cheese. I made some little muffins, jalapeno muffins. Hot sauce if you wanted a little kick to it, or you could sprinkle a little red pepper flakes on top of it. Just whatever you like, whatever degree of heat that you want. I myself are going to sprinkle a little bit of the Monterey Jack cheese on top. And looky there. It's creamy with a little kick because of those green chilies. I hope you like it. It's so easy, one pot meal. It doesn't take very long. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.